In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or activate a disabled add-in in PowerPoint. Sometimes you install an add-in or you've been using one for a while, and suddenly it disappears from your ribbon or stops working. In many cases, PowerPoint has disabled it, usually because it caused an error or slowed things down. The good news is, you can often turn it back on in just a few steps, and that's exactly what we'll walk through together. Start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you're on the main window, not inside a presentation that's still loading or being saved, so nothing interferes with the settings we're about to change. Next, go to the File tab at the top left of the screen. This takes you into the Backstage view, where all the program-level options live. On the left side, look toward the bottom and click on Options. This opens the PowerPoint Options window, which is where you control most of the advanced settings for the app. In this Options window, look at the list on the left and find the section called Add-ins. Go ahead and click that. You'll now see a list of all the add-ins PowerPoint is aware of. This includes ones that are active, inactive, and sometimes disabled. Here you can quickly scan and check if the add-in you're missing appears in the list, possibly under inactive or disabled application add-ins. Now look toward the bottom of this window. You'll see a drop-down labeled Manage. This is important because different types of add-ins are controlled in different places. Click the drop-down and select the type that matches your add-in, such as COM add-ins or PowerPoint add-ins. If you're not sure which one it is, start with COM add-ins, as many third-party tools use that type. After selecting the type, click the Go button next to the drop-down. A smaller window will open showing the add-ins for that category. Look through the list and find the one you want to re-enable. If it's disabled, it will usually be unchecked. Simply check the box next to it to turn it back on, and then click OK. Once you've done that, close and reopen PowerPoint to make sure the change takes effect. When PowerPoint opens again, check the ribbon or the area where the add-in usually appears to confirm it's visible and working. If it still doesn't show up, repeat the process and verify you picked the right add-in type in the Manage drop-down. That's all there is to it. By using the Options menu and the Manage Add-ins section, you can quickly bring a disabled PowerPoint add-in back to life.